Hi, this is Alia, and today the assignment is on organization controlling system. So, in the beginning, we'll discuss the organization structural theories. Organization structure is a system that consists of explicit and implicit institutional rules and policies designed to outline how various work roles and responsibilities are delegated, controlled, and coordinated. The framework in which an organization defines how to distribute the responsibility and task resources are arranged and departments are cross-bound. Vertical structure closely coupled upstream with its supplier and downstream with its customer. These organizations not physically exist but enabled by software. Vertical structure includes the distribution of set of tasks within the department or to individual or teams. Reporting system relationship. If reporting to supervisor, line manager or manager. Design systems show effective communication of employees within the department. Vertical structure has the following features. Work specialization can be performed more efficiently if employees are specialized in it. Chain of command. It's the line of authority which shows which employee will report to whom. Span of management. It it's the number of staff reporting to their immediate supervisor. It is the number of staff reporting to their immediate supervisor. Departmentalization. In this, manager decided how to group people together to perform their tasks by working as a team. In the following five approaches of organization theory being discussed: vertical division, matrix, team, virtual based structure. Functional structure. In functional structure, it is decided how the organization will perform. It consists of coordination, task distribution, and supervision. In this, people are divided in small teams and it is decided to whom they will report. Common function of most organization: human resources, protection, marketing, and sales and finance. In this, staff become specialists in their own fields. The drawback of this structure is that organization operations becomes inflexible and stiff. Division structure, often called a product structure. Division structure is the second most used structure in America. It's a collection of functions which produce a product. Division structure can be regional type, consumer type, or product type. Every division can have their own department like marketing, sales, engineering. The advantage of this structure is that it has given authority to each division which can measure the performance directly. In matrix structure, they group staff from both functional and divisional structure. It can be used to make the best out of each structure. It takes advantage from employee strength and work on their weakness. If company is producing two products or more than two, then new departments are established for each product, like there will be two sales departments for each of the products, similarly two different marketing or any other department for both of the products. Matrix types. Weak functional matrix. A project manager has limited authority. Functional manager has control in allotting the responsibilities. Balanced functional matrix. Authority is equally distributed among the functional and project manager. Strong project matrix. Functional manager only provides the expertise, but project manager is responsible for the project. Team-based structure is the new structure which is introduced in 20th century. In this whole organization work as in this whole organization work as a team. It is suitable for small business. Team can be both horizontal and vertical. Network structure. In this structure, company outsource any of its business function, and managers spend most of their time in controlling and coordinating with the external relations. Organization control. Organization control refers to the systematic process of regulating organizational activities to make them consistent with the expectations established in plans, targets, and standards of performance. It ensures that overall direction of individual and groups are consistent with short and long-term plans. It ensures that objectives are accomplished, are consistent. Purpose of control. Effective control in an organization requires information about performance standards and actual performance, as well as action taken to correct any error from the standard. The essence of control is action which adjusts operation to predetermined standard, and its basis is information in the hands of managers. Most organizations measure and control performance using quantitative financial measure. Financial measures are discussed below. Feedback control model. In this, managers set up feedback system which consists of established standard, measure performance, compare performance to standard, and take necessary action to improve the performance. Balance scorecard. It is strategy performance tool management which measures financial measure with operation measures. Four major perspectives of balance scorecards are financial performance. It measures the financial position of an organization, net income and return on investment. Customer service, it includes how customers view the organization, customer loyalty, and their retention with the company. Internal business process focus on production and operation strategies. Potential for learning and growth focus on how well company resource and human capital is used for company future. Use of balanced scorecard. A choice of data to measure, a setting of a reference value for the data, the ability to make a corrective intervention. Open book management. In open book management system, it will not only help employee to do their job efficiently, but also make them understand how the organization is working as a whole. In this, employee has access to company information. Information includes cash flow, revenue, profit, cost of goods and expenses. A company performs best when when its people sees them as partner in the business rather than as hired hands. Total quality management. It consists of organization-wide efforts to install and make environment environment in which organization continuously improves. It provide high quality service to customer and produce high quality product. Use of total quality management. The key consists in the total quantity quality management effort undertaken by Navy in 1980s include quality is defined by customer requirements. Top management have direct responsibility for quality improvement. Increased quality comes from systematic analysis and improvement of work processes. Quality improvement is a continuous effort and conducted throughout the organization. Budgetary control. It refers how a manager utilizes budget to monitor and control cost and operations of company in given fiscal year. Expense budget includes anticipated and actual expenses for each responsibility center for total organization. Revenue budget lists forecasted and actual revenues of the organization. Cash budget. Cash budget estimates receipts and expenditures of money on daily or weekly basis to assure that organization has sufficient cash in hand to to meet its obligations. Capital budget. It in, uh, it includes planned investment like building heavy equipment, complex information technology system. Zero-based budget. It's an approach to plan and make decisions that require justification for every item in budget instead of carrying forward a prior budget and applying percentage change. Financial control. In every organization, manager has to watch how better company is running financially. For this, they have to look into financial statement like balance sheet or income statement. Financial control are the most important tool used by manager to measure objective of company performance. Creating a report a manager can take effective steps if some correction is required. Income statements are sometimes called profit and loss statements summarize the organization performance for 1 year. Balance sheet, it shows firm financial position at specific period of time with respect to assets and liabilities. Thank you so much and hope you understand fully what I have explained in the presentation. And if any question is there regarding the presentation, please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.